Hey YouTube, and welcome to a new video of the life experience. Today I'm gonna make a special smoothie, and I thought just about sharing it with you guys because it's pretty good. So the recipe for this is basically just mango, like pure mango liquid, and then milk, 2% reduced fat milk. I got this from Costco, honestly. And the last one is honey. I believe I got this from Sam's Club. It's the Members Mark, pure US grade A, product of US. It's pretty good. As you can see, it's almost done. I like it. And then what I'm gonna do is, alright, so first what I'm gonna do is just pour milk to number 2. I don't know if you can see it, but alright. And then you take this mango right here, pour half of it. Alright. And then just put the honey right here, squeeze it. It's almost empty, but it's fine, that'll do the trick. Just a little bit of honey, as you can see. And then mix it up in the blender. And last but not least is to actually just take it. It's done with the blender. Now just pour it. Look at that. So I'm gonna use this. It's called Vim2. It's you add it to the smoothie right here. It's pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is here, pour a little bit of it. And then just pour the smoothie. See that mixture? Tastes super good. You should try it. And that's all. And have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.